What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Last Guy Steven, man. We're back with another video. Today we're gonna be shad fishing. As you can see, we got I think it's called a tandem rig. 2 shad darts. But yeah. Probably a school.
Yep.
Got one, y'all. It's a herring.
Yeah, we get it.
Perfect bait.
Let me get you two. I'm gonna put 2 on. 2 on 2? You already got it.
Dang. Huh? What's wrong with your second shad dart?
So what's wrong with it?
Yeah, why does it look like that? I don't know how to jig this jump.
Just go with them. The big one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Got him.
Dang. Yeah, that's like the one that hit my minnow. That's like the one that hit my minnow. Dang.
About to give me right there on it.
Bro, that's a nice one. For my net's in the car.
I don't need it now.
Easy. Dang.
That's for real. So I'm
You
talking
see?
about.
Hold it
It
up.
was barely hooked too. Look at that. It was barely hooked.
Got another one, y'all. Yes, sir. That's another good one. Didn't do it yet.
I'm sorry, bro.
You still got it? Like,
It's broke.
it's broke.
Yes.
Oh,
How did that even happen?
Snap this right in half too.
Not another 20,000.
Shad makes me break my rod.
Look like I could.
Done. Check. There we go, y'all. Got it hooked up.
I want to see some metal.
Snagged.
Ooh.
That's not a
Perch?
That's a bluegill. There's more.
Oh shit.
Look.
What else, man?
Look.
That's shad, I think it's a shad, bro. I saw him though. I saw him.
Damn.
They were following us.
Bluegill.
Yeah, that's the one last one.
Damn.
Only the dark.
Got one, y'all.
Yeah.
It's a good one, too.
That's a nice one, bro.
Let's get him on the bank, y'all. Like you
got me, bro.
like cucumbers do. Sir, let me see. Yes, sir. Dang, that's another nice one. Sheesh. That's even fatter one. Gosh.
That's the Mac Daddy, bro.
Yeah.
Hold on.
That's about the size that tried to hit my minnow.
Look at the belly, bro.
I was wanting it upside down, y'all. And I caught one. Y'all missed it. I literally told my GoPro, I was literally winding it like this. And one actually bit it. Bro, he about to take off.
It's a herring.
Yeah.
It's a big herring.
Hip. Jumbo joint. I might actually have to hold my... See, that's what they want to do. They want to bite the noobs joints. All right, so you got to have loose drag. You got to hold your rod upside down to catch them.
It's opposite day.
Exactly. I wish I would have got that on film, bro.
No.
That was too funny. Oh. Watch me start buzzing.